Hey YouTube, today I'm going to show you that how can we make this type of floor plan or 2 BHK floor plan in AutoCAD. Basically, this is a whole AutoCAD tutorial in which you will learn that how can we make floor plan or any unit plan on AutoCAD, and then how can we place furniture on it, and how can we do texting and make mark dimension on it. All these things you will learn in this video. So yeah, let's get started. So firstly we have to open any AutoCAD file. So for this, just you can go here and start any AutoCAD file like this. After opening any AutoCAD file, we have to firstly do a unit setup. So for doing unit setup, you have to just press U and enter. This is the shortcut of unit. Okay, I'm going to draw this file in in millimeters. Here is my file in already in millimeter, but if you want to change your unit in any other, like inches, feet, meters, centimeter, etc., you can do. Now here I am just going to change my precision, and everything is okay according to my millimeter file. So I will click on OK. So yeah, this is my here is my unit setup is done. After this I am just going to you can see this UCS icon is or this XY orbit is moving from this part. So for this I'm just going to click UCS. Then you can say see it here, UCS icon, just click on it and no origin. Now you can see if I move or drag my mouse, my origin is always in here. So now we can work easily in this file. So firstly I'm just going to make layers, because whenever we have to draw anything, like we have to draw this wall, this bed, we have to make different layer on AutoCAD. We have to create layers in AutoCAD. So I'm just going to create layers. So for this you have to go to layer properties. You can also press L A, enter. You can see if I click just press L A and enter, then my layer properties is open. You can also open it from here and you can close it from here. So here I am just going to open my layer properties and make new layer. You can create new layer from here. You can also press Alt plus N to create layer. So here I am just going to create 3 or 4 layer maybe. Just now just click on this layer and right now you can see I'm just going to change layer name. So for this, just double click on it, and this is my wall layer, and right wall and press enter. Now my layer is changed. This is white in color. You can also change its color, and this is default. Now my second layer is for window. You can click on it and right click on it, and here rename layer. I'm just going to do it window. This is my window layer. Press enter, and now I'm just going to change its color. So for this I'm just taking blue color. Okay. Okay. Again I'm going to change its name. This is my ventilator layer, and I just want my ventilator in a hidden line. So for this, just click here. Sorry. Here, and go to the load, and from here you can find hidden. Click on it and press OK. Now click on hidden and OK. You can see now this is an hidden layer. Again I am going to rename my furniture layer. So this is my furniture layer. Next layer will be for my text. I'm just going to text for test and press enter. I just want my furniture is red in color, and text will be okay. No, text will be red in color and furniture is in gray color. Okay, so yeah, here my all layers is created now. I'm just going to close it. After this you can choose different layer from here. For now I'm just going to click on wall layer. Now firstly, in this plan we have to just create a wall. So for this I'm just going to create this opening part. You can also on your ortho mode for a straight line you can press F8 for this shortcut, or you can also change it from here. Now I just want my front wall for 5000 mm. So click L, enter, then 5, click on one place, then 5000, then enter, and here's your 5000 mm line. So firstly I'm just create the front part of the plan. This is 2000 mm extended from the drawing line. My kitchen is extended from drawing line from 2000 mm. So for this I'm just pressing L, enter for line tool, and click on one point and press 2000 mm and enter. So this is my kitchen area is 3500 mm. So I'm just going to continue it for 3500 and press enter. You can further continue your line, but I think I just forget my dimension, so I'm just going to check there. So yeah, this line is my 2500 mm. So for this I'm just going to create 2500 mm line. For creating line, just press L and enter. L is the shortcut key of line tool, and 2500 mm and enter. So this is my balcony part. My balcony is 1500 mm, and this is 2000 mm. Again 1500 mm. Again you can I'm just going to create firstly my all lines, then I will do take offset of these lines. So here is my balcony part. I'm just, this is 2000 mm. So I'm not copying exactly that plan. I just want to show you that how can we create the floor plan in AutoCAD. You can see I just created my this part. Now we have to create this is 1000 mm. Now this is a straight line. So I am just going to make a straight line for this, and now I will use fillet tool to join this. For this just press F, enter, and press on this line and this line. You can see this will be a line. So here is our boundary line is created. If I have to create this 2 BHK floor plan, then my boundary line is created. Now we have to just create now internal points like this kitchen and this drawing room. So for this, firstly I'm just going to make a taking offset of these lines. For this click on O, then press double enter, not one enter, double enter, and click on one line, and I'm just going to make my outer line is of 230 mm. So for this 230 and enter. I will I will create my all outer line in 230 mm and internal line in 150 mm. So here my all wall is created. You can see this is not connected from this side and this is extra in this side. So for this for just connecting this line, I am just going to use my fillet command, or also for this extra line I am going to use fillet command. Press F, enter, and then click on it, this line and this line. You can see this is equal. Again F, enter, and this line and this line. So if I have to use fillet for the multiple time, I'm just going to do F, enter, and then M, enter, M for multiple. And here you can see I am just using just click on one line and the other line, this will be fillet. So in this way you can one more wall is left. Okay, in this way you can create wall, or you can use fillet tool in other things also, like sometime I used to rearrange my wall for the from the fillet tool. So yeah, this is our kitchen. So now I am going to create my entrance point. For creating entrance point, I am just click on E, X, enter, and enter, double enter for extend tool, and click on this line. You can see this is extended from this point to this point. Now I will check offset. For taking offset, just click on O and double enter, and click on this wall or line. My entrance will be 1200 mm, so I am just pressing dimension and press enter. After taking offset, I will just trim this line. So for this, just TR and double enter, and click on this line and this line. So you can see here is my entrance is open, made. Now I will just made my kitchen. For making kitchen, I'm just we have to draw this kitchen counter. For drawing kitchen counter, just press O and enter and enter. Click on this line. My kitchen counter will be of 600 mm, so I am just giving dimension. Again I'm clicking on this point, 600 mm, and press enter. Again click on this point, 600 mm, and enter. So now I will use fillet command to use this. So this is my kitchen counter. You can extend this line by clicking EX enter, but at this time I'm just going to use click on this line and click on this point and just drag it here. You can also make this type of. So this is my kitchen. After kitchen, you can see I have just made some mistake. This is my balcony, and I just make it of 230 mm. I have to just make it of 50 mm railing, give a 50 mm railing. So for this, click on O, enter, and click on this line and give 50 and enter. And press F, enter for fillet. uh, now I am just going to delete this line. So for deleting, just click on this line. You can also click on E for erase and enter. Click this line, enter. Again you can delete it. So in this time I am just going to use L, enter for line, and this is my line. Now I will trim this, TR, double enter and trim. Again I'm just making a line and TR, enter and click on this point. So this is my balcony. Similarly I will create all these balcony like this. So after creating my balcony, now I will just create my washroom. Firstly I will create this dining area, then this washrooms. My living room is 4000 mm, so I am just taking a offset of 4000 mm. For this taking offset, just click O and double enter and click on this line and take 4000 mm and press enter. This is my drawing area. Now I will just make 115 mm thickness of wall, and my washroom will be 1500 mm. So I am just taking 1500 and enter, and 115. So here my drawing room, washroom and room is created vertically. After creating these three things, I am just going to create my washroom area firstly. So for this, this width will be 2000 mm. Again 115 for the brick, and now I am going to fillet. So this is my fillet command. After making washroom, I'm just going to make my bedroom. So for bedroom, I'm just taking offset of 3500 mm for making my bedroom. And now I will just extend this line. For this, EX, double enter and extend this line. Again I am making fillet of this external line. So for F, enter and make this line. After making fillet, I'm just do trim here for this common washroom and room. So my room and common washroom are created. Now I have to create this room. So this is something like this. I'm just taking offset of 4000 mm. No, I think this will be more than 4000 mm. So I'm taking offset of 4500 mm and the wall of 115 mm. Again I am making 1500 mm washroom and storeroom, and then 115 mm wall offset. Now just extend this line. Also create a line of this here. Now trim this line. Now I am just going to make a line wall between this area, so that we can make our washroom and a storeroom. So after making these all walls, I'm just going to make a opening of my toilets and this opening of this bedroom, etc. So for making opening, I'm just extending this line, sorry, this line, and taking offset of 900 mm. Oh, enter, then press 900, click on this wall and 900 and enter. Now making trim of it, TR double enter, then click on the here, here and here, also here. So this is the opening of our room. This room opening is already created. Now I am just going to make this washroom's opening. So for this, EX enter and extend this line and take offset. So for taking offset, O enter and click on this line. Now 900 mm and enter. Sorry, this is washroom na, so I'm just going to make this 270 mm. So I'm just going to create a washroom's opening of 750 mm. For this, just click here, 750, enter and trim here, TR double enter and click on this line and this line. So this opening is also created. Now I am just going to create a store room opening. So for this, just extend 750 mm, enter, TR enter for trim, and here is my, you can see all the openings are created, only this washrooms are left. I am also create this. So this is my toilet. Okay friend, you can see our all openings are created. Now I will show you the door, how can we place door, window and the furniture on next part. So for uh, learning the overall tutorial of a floor plan, please like, share and subscribe my channel.